Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Nathan, this is Roborock. I hope you guys are having a great day today because I'm super excited. I got this new camera system for my channel, Roborock. Guess what? This new camera is in full HD color, also has LiDAR navigation, and guess what? When I get bored of filming, I can actually clean. Oh, hey guys, how's it going? Yes, can you see my cool round camera system? Yes, this camera is going to upgrade Roborock's video quality and audio. I'm super excited. I can't wait. This is going to be the GoPro right here, guys. But guess what? I got something else that came down the pipeline. Hold on 1 second. Whoa! What is this? Is this what I think it is? The Roborock S6 MaxV got a new update.
Remote viewing active.
Shh. Good robot. Okay, so yes, here's the software update. 1.44 something something. I'll put it right there.
Remote viewing active.
Okay, you can stop saying remote viewing active. Alright, so this thing is really awesome because with the stereo camera system, you can do both HD full color and night vision as well, black and white. Alright, let's check out the app really quick. Here's the app, you can see. So in the top right hand corner you have the map. So with the map, all you have to do is just drop down a pin anywhere within your saved floor plan and the robot will drive there automatically. And with Roblox LiDAR navigation, it did really well, no issues there. You also have a joystick which you can press on the left side. So on the right side you have HD and LD, so high definition, low definition, depending on your video stream quality. You also have the dock ability, you can also clean in that area, send a 15-second message. Alright, let's check out the 15-second message feature. Hey, this is Roborock's latest model, the Roborock S6 MaxV. Alright, you also have the cleaning history and you have the messaging history.
Remote viewing active.
Very cool. So you could just talk to your cat, your loved ones. Nice feature. So that's just basically the remote feature. So let's check it out and see how well it works. Let's start the live video feed. Select the Roborock app. Once you select the robot, you should be to your main menu. Now off to the right is the camera icon. Select that and you should see the main interface. Now you should see a blank screen because the robot's dock and it's covering up the camera. On the bottom is your save map, so drop a pin down if you want the robot to automatically drive there.
Remote viewing activated. Remote viewing active.
I really like the clean interface that Roborock did. I think this feature is really handy when you want to just keep an eye on things. Now, with the Ecovacs T8, they have very similar features. You have a remote control feature, works with both Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity, either 3G or 4G. You also have a messaging feature on the Roborock S6 MaxV. So what this does is you can record up to 15 seconds of your voice. So this is great if you want to talk to your pets or maybe to your loved ones, say goodbye or something. Now with the Ecovacs T8, you actually can record as long as you want, as long as you're pressing down on the record button. So both robots have the pin to go feature. Now the Ecovacs T8 does have a patrol mode, so what that does is if you drop down multiple pins within the map, the robot will actually drive to those pinpoints and actually patrol your house. Really cool feature. Hopefully Roborock will implement this feature as well. So you may notice that the live camera feed actually turned black and white. Well, that's the night vision system, and you may notice the infrared emitter that helps eliminate the area once it's in complete darkness. So yes, you can clearly see the area if the robot's in a dark room. I do apologize, maybe I should have made my bed as well. I do like the fact that you just rotate your phone and you can go into full screen mode. After a few seconds, the on-screen controls go away so you get a clearer picture. Off to right there, you actually have your thumbnail of your map, and then up top there is the kilobytes per second stream, so you can see how much bandwidth you're using per second. Now, one thing to do is you can actually go to low definition or high definition depending on your quality of internet, and you can also clean this area. Well, what do you guys think? That's really cool that the reactive AI on the Roborock takes a step further by offering that drop to pin feature, kind of like on the T8. Also, you can speak to the robot, so you can record a 15-second message to talk to your giant buddy or your little pooch to make sure they don't get lonely or get into trouble. Lastly, I like the fact that you can view the live camera feed as it's clean, so you can make sure that it catches all the areas. So lastly, with the reactive AI, Roborock added new items that it can recognize. Very, very cool. Everyone's excited and they want some food now. Okay, I gotta go feed my fake pets. So, I hope you liked this video, and thanks so much for watching, and see you guys next time.